There's a story about a man who voted against the church buying a grand piano. And he was the only person that didn't think it was wise for the church to spend so much money, $50,000, $60,000 on one thing, when it could have been spent on missions or something else. And in reality, he might have been right. The whole church may have been wrong in prioritizing a piano that they didn't need per se, when that money could have been spent on something else. Who knows what was right or wrong in the scenario? But let's pretend that this man, this older man, had wiser judgment on the issue, and he was giving caution on why they shouldn't have bought this piano. But nevertheless, he was the lone vote that voted against this. And after the vote, he stood up, and the rest of the people thought he was upset or mad, but he wasn't. He stood up and pulled out of his pocket $100, and he said, "Though I didn't think it was a wise decision to buy this piano, I know the unity of the brethren is more important than buying or not buying a piano, and I want to be the first to give to this purchase." And I think that communicates a wonderful spirit of submission, that God loves unity, not above truth, but He loves unity above secondary issues of conscience and wisdom issues. And so I think when there's conflict in the church, it gives us an opportunity to submit to sometimes even inferior wisdom, because knowing that unity of the Spirit and the bond of peace is more valuable to God than us standing firm on our personal convictions on wisdom issues.